Cooper surname meaning in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English occupational surname denoting a maker or repairer of wooden vessels such as barrels, tubs, buckets, casks, and vats, from the Middle English word couper or couper, which in turn derived from the Middle Dutch word coupe, meaning tub or container. Early bearers included Robert Le Cooper in Sussex in 1176, Salomone de Cooper in Scotland in 1245, Christian Cooper in Berwick in 1275, John Cooper in Aberdeen in 1281, and Symon Cooper in Berwick in 1296. Knighthoods included Sir Maurice Cooper of Hertfordshire, who was knighted in 1603. Sir Charles Cooper, born 1795, a politician and the first Chief Justice of South Australia. Sir Henry Cooper, born 1807, Mayor of Kingston-upon-Hall and a medical doctor. And others include Sir John Cooper, knighted in 1603, Sir Richard Cooper of Surrey, knighted in 1603, Sir Roger Cooper of Thurgarton in 1624, William Cooper of Catherine Cork in 1641, Sir Edmund Cooper, Lord Mayor of York in 1641, Sir Edward Cooper in 1641, and Sir George Cooper, Judge at Madras in 1816. Noble titles held included the Cooper Baronetcy of Paulet in the county of Somerset. It was created in the Baronetage of England in 1622 for Sir John Cooper of Rockbourne. He was succeeded by his son, who we see on the right, Anthony Ashley Cooper, who was elevated to the peerage as Earl of Shaftesbury in 1672. Here we see the family estate of St. Giles House. The Cooper Baronetcy of the City of Dublin was created in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1758 for Sir William Cooper. Cooper Baronetcy of Gadebridge in the county of Hertford was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1821 for the noted surgeon and anatomist Sir Astley Paston Cooper. And here we see Gadebridge House. The Cooper Baronetcy of Walcott in the county of Somerset was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1828 for Sir John Cooper, a Member of Parliament for Dartmouth. Cooper Baronetcy of Woollahra in New South Wales was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1863 for the Australian politician Sir Daniel Cooper. And here we see the family estate. Landed gentry included Cooper of Markree Castle in County Sligo, Ireland, Cooper of Cooper's Hill in Queen's County, Ireland, Cooper of Killinwer Castle in County Tipperary, Ireland, Cooper of Toddington Manor in County Bedfordshire, England, and Cooper of Failford in County Ayrshire, Scotland. Notables included Charlotte Cooper, an English female tennis player who won 5 singles titles at Wimbledon, the Wimbledon Championships, and in 1900 became Olympic champion. Edward Joshua Cooper, born 1798, was an Irish landowner and politician and astronomer. William Cooper, born 1754, was an American merchant, land speculator, and developer, and the founder of Cooperstown in New York. Samuel Cooper, born 1725, was a Congregationalist minister in Boston, Massachusetts. James Fenimore Cooper was an American writer of the first half of the 19th century. Samuel Cooper, born 1780, was an English surgeon and medical writer. Early settlers included John and Justin Cooper in Virginia in 1618. Humility Cooper came to Massachusetts in 1620. John and Walter Cooper came to Virginia in 1623, and Francis, George, and James Cooper arrived in Nova Scotia, Canada in 1749. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.